Hi guys, I'm Varun and today I'm going to be doing a dessert for you guys, an Indian dessert of course. Nowadays in the market we can see the nice long red carrots and they might not look very nice but they have very nice flavor. They have this really nice sweetness to them and they are excellent for making desserts. And I'm going to be doing a classic Gajar ka halwa recipe, that's carrot halwa that is cooked in milk with some cardamom and sugar, and I'm going to serve it in a different way. I'm going to be making some tart shells so we can like place spoonfuls of the halwa inside the tart shells and then garnish them individually and have like nice Gajar ka halwa tarts to serve as individual desserts to our guests or loved ones, because having an individual bite-shaped dessert is anyway appealing to everyone and it's just easier to eat and easier to consume. So let's check out this recipe.